Watch the impressive 2020 Kenworth W990 track through Buckingham, pulling an XL trailer with 7 axles, hauling a massive 125,000-pound milling machine. The sound is pure power, and the truck is a beauty. Kudos to the escort team for their extremely professional supervision. This was a job done right. I could spend hours mesmerized by primitive scenes like this. Trucks leaving the Tapajos River, crossing ferry. The raw, unfiltered beauty of these moments captures the essence of rugged adventure and timeless grit.
Olha só, mas é que deu conta de subir. E tá carregado, hein? Agora aí vai sair no brutão da galera, hein? Mais queridinho da galera. Eu vou pegar aquela gira pra ver se eu na frente aí pra preparar um pouco. Vou ver quanto aqui eu parei, vai sair na nossa primeira mão pra vocês. Aí é mais um voo, vamos sair dele. Mais um voo aí pra vocês. Não tá mexendo não, porque você queria sair aí na pressão e bater atrás do outro.
Witness the awe-inspiring sight of the giant Paul R. Tregurtha passing under the lift bridge in Duluth, MN. It's incredible to see such a massive vessel glide beneath the raised road bridge, showcasing the marvel of modern engineering. The crowd's cheers and waves add to the thrilling moment, celebrating this impressive feat.
Oh my God.
K&S Heavy Haulage and Higgs Haulage's Kenworth K200 block truck join forces for an epic move, transporting the massive Liebherr EXR 9600 mining excavator. In a thrilling operation, they delivered the giant, split into the undercarriage and main chassis, to the BHP South Flank Iron Ore Mine, 156 kilometers northwest of Newman. Witnessing the sheer power and precision of this convoy was nothing short of awe-inspiring. Witnessing the incredible sight of a massive Cat 793D dump truck being transported on the Barkley Highway by Century and Transport was nothing short of awe-inspiring. On June 3rd, 2 dismantled Cat mining dump trucks, each with a payload capacity of 232 tons, were spotted between Cloncurry and Mid-Isa. The sheer scale and danger of this transport operation are truly impressive. Wow, can you guess how much weight this module transport truck is hauling with these concrete blocks? It's incredibly heavy. Witness the sheer power and precision of heavy transport company ALE as they delivered a 174-ton turbine to Ferrybridge Power Station. Utilizing a Fawn J71 WRE and a 7-bed, 7-drawbar trailer, they expertly navigated from Gould Docks to the power station. The meticulous coordination and engineering prowess left spectators in awe, showcasing ALE's unmatched capability in handling monumental loads. Holy smokes, that's a decommissioned nuclear reactor. Talk about a heavy haul. 2.5 million pounds is like moving a small mountain. Emirate International is the real deal, handling this behemoth with the precision of a surgeon and the power of a locomotive. This ain't your average trucking company. These guys are the heavy haul heroes we need. The beautiful and authentic scenes as David Hull hauls PHS forestry logs with his legendary 1972 Kenworth logging truck. Later, he leaves the ranch in his trusty Titus truck, heading towards Waco's Santiam Mill Yard. The sight of this vintage beast in action is a powerful testament to classic engineering and timeless grit. Wow, check out Peak Oilfield Service maneuvering a massive Doyen drilling rig around a tight corner finesse. With over 40 years of experience, these guys know how to get the job done right. Wow, take a moment to witness the epic showdown between Master Milo's WZT-2 recovery tank and the mighty Cat 525C skidder and John Deere 8345 RT. Did anyone really think this was going to go any differently? The sheer power and intensity on display are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Witness the new 75-ton Pacey-Setter Lowboy in action for service heavy haul in Seattle. Resembling the top-notch Aspen E-Series, this high-quality rig effortlessly transports a massive Cat 375 excavator, turning a daunting task into an impressive display of engineering prowess and sheer power. Watch the extreme skills in action as an oversized lorry load navigates a roundabout. With one lead heavy haulage truck and 4 more at the rear, presumably for brakes, this abnormal load, a massive turbine, is the first of 3 being transported from Newport Docks to Hirwaun Power Station in South Wales. It's a jaw-dropping scene as this colossal load maneuvers through the valleys and roundabouts of South Wales with precision and expertise. In the midst of a huge downpour, Marine One lifted off for a flight to Delaware. The takeoff was as smooth as it gets. Kudos to the pilot who rose, hovered, rotated in place, and then departed with precision. No extra moves, no shortcuts, just a flawless, gentle ascent. Bet the president hardly felt a thing. Watching the unloading platform in action was a wild sight. A box truck full of potatoes being emptied without an automatic dump truck system. Unloading floor dump trucks are versatile, designed for flour, feed, potatoes, fruit juices, and raw materials. This video is a masterclass in engineering and logistics. Navigating those switchbacks under the Chervenohorsky saddle with a 156-ton load, that's like threading a needle with a bulldozer. Nosredi's team of experts is clearly at the top of their game, overcoming every obstacle with skill and precision. They're not just moving cargo, they're conquering mountains. the Antonov and 124 Ruslan, a true marvel of engineering, as it transports an Efacec mobile substation weighing over 90 tons to Buenos Aires, Argentina, for Edesur. This behemoth was loaded and took off from Francisco Sacarnero Airport in Porto. International cargo transport at its finest, courtesy of Antonov Design Bureau and Power Via. It's impressive. Even watching it, it's hard to believe it can manage to take off with such an immense load. This video is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and perseverance. The Crest Mercury 2 was towed to Dubai Maritime City as a lifeless shell, but Granwell Shipyard saw its potential. They breathed new life into this vessel, replacing engines, upgrading systems, and giving it a complete makeover. This ain't your average Sunday drive. This is heavy hauling in the Alaskan wilderness, where the terrain is rugged and the weather is unpredictable. Carlisle's team is navigating icy roads and steep grades with the skill and precision of seasoned mountaineers. They're not just moving cargo, they're conquering the elements. Wow, those heavy trucks charging into the river with a spectacular splash. Aussie truckers are truly a different breed. It's amazing what they do out in the outback. How did he back that up for a second try? What do you think? Comment below.
Fierce dead weight.
This was probably the toughest route this heavy-duty driver had ever faced. Navigating through quicksand was incredibly challenging, but thankfully, a powerful cat bulldozer came to the rescue. Rameshwar Transport is navigating a massive ODC consignment through Burmese Rajasthan. This equipment is absolutely colossal, weighing hundreds of tons. The scene is intense and chaotic, highlighting a pressing need to optimize security and traffic flow. Multi-purpose vessel for the Italian Navy. This impressive ship, capable of short takeoffs for fighter jets and vertical landings for helicopters, drew President Sergio Mattarella to the ceremony. After 15 months of dedicated work by Fincantieri, seeing the Trieste slide into the sea was a thrilling moment for everyone involved. The day was filled with pride and emotion as the workers from the Fincantieri factory in Castellammare di Stabio celebrated the birth of the Navy's new amphibious assault ship. This isn't just a transport, it's a symphony of logistics and engineering. The planning, coordination, and execution involved in moving a 184-ton transformer are mind-boggling. Collette & Son's team of experts is like a well-oiled machine, ensuring every step of the process goes off without a hitch. They're not just moving cargo, they're orchestrating a masterpiece. Lasso Transport tackled the treacherous journey to Penacova Wind Farm, moving 56-meter blades for a 3.6 Meadow Senvion wind tone. The convoy navigated newly created, muddy and slippery roads with impressive skill, assembling the gearbox and brake in the nacelle at Portela de Oliveira. Truly exceptional. Watching this superload navigate that roundabout is like watching a cowboy wrangle a herd of cattle through a saloon door. It's a testament to the skill and precision of ODLS's drivers. They're not just hauling cargo, they're performing a delicate dance with a 300-foot-long monster. This spectacle drew quite a crowd. Up close, those container cranes are absolute monsters. And to think, this is just a small transport vessel. Boskalis BV, a Dutch company, operates an even larger fleet for moving oil rigs. These 4 cranes, perched on frames, are lowered for transport to unload massive ships. This is one of thousands of global shipments, all burning heavy fuel. Wow, a 40-wheel truck navigating through mangled eye is quite a spectacle. I've never seen anything like this before. What's even more intriguing is the crowd following this behemoth. What's the story behind this? Comment below. Incredible. Watching a 70-meter, 140-ton abnormal load maneuver through the narrow lanes of New Hall, Surrey is nothing short of breathtaking. The journey began in Luton, snaking through major highways like the M1 and M25, before making its way through the charming streets of Ottershaw and Shearwater. This isn't just a testament to the raw power of the machinery, but to the meticulous planning and coordination required for such a feat. Overdimensional lift and shift, ODLS, maneuvering a massive 558-ton generator from Webb Dock to Loy Yang B Power was a jaw-dropping spectacle. After 14 months of production, this colossal piece of equipment was finally en route to the Toronto North Power Plant to replace its damaged predecessor. Over 3 intense nights braving torrential rains and treacherous conditions, ODLS showcased unparalleled skill and determination, making this high-stakes journey an unforgettable display of heavy transport prowess. High Hall's Kenworth T909 and K200 were spotted doing a big move out of the port a couple of weeks back. Cheers to Boars for capturing this. It was so massive and beautiful, I almost thought it was a scene from Transformers. This is a 2,000-ton reactor being hauled across Bavaria like it's a hot dog on a stick. Schmidbauer and Sabine Verkehrstechnik are the dynamic duo of heavy hauling. Mother Nature threw everything she had at this project. But STB Verkehrstechnik didn't flinch. They battled heavy rain and challenging terrain to ensure the safe delivery of this massive reactor, flexing their logistical muscles with 22-axle SPMTs that look like something out of a Transformers movie. This is what happens when engineering meets pure adrenaline. It's absolutely incredible to witness the massive white tank being transported through Dechin. The sheer scale of this excess load is mind-blowing. 67.2 meters long, 5.8 meters wide, 7.55 meters high, and a whopping 398 tons. Hale's got that vintage vibe going on with those old truck cabs on the dollies. It's like a throwback to the good old days, but with a modern twist. And check out those power packs lashed together with ratchet straps. It's a little bit Heath Robinson, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This video proves that Hale's got the perfect blend of old school ingenuity and modern heavy hauling muscle.
That is a tight turn.
Witnessing two Iraq's trucks in Dubai handle the heavy haulage for a solar park was truly astonishing. The Al Ferris group tackled the colossal task of transporting 10 massive tanks across the city, relying on two powerful Iraq's trucks capable of hauling up to 250 tons. With 240 tires on the trailer and 30 axles times 8, Mercedes proved its unmatched excellence once again. In a dramatic display of engineering prowess, a temporary iron bridge costing Rs 4 crore was constructed in just 10 days inside the Narmada Canal on the Tharadvav Highway, Gujarat. This bridge, built to handle two colossal, machinery-laden vehicles, groaned under the weight and danger as they passed over it. Wow, witness the precision as a damaged Panzerhaubitze 2000 is expertly pushed by the Bergepisa 3 Buffel onto the SLT Monmouth for transport during the Quadriga Battalion exercise of Artillerie Lehr Bataillon 345. Impressive millimeter work. Around 11 a.m., a truck driver veered off the road for unknown reasons, prompting an urgent call for help. The operations manager assessed the situation and immediately summoned the Vöcklabruck Fire Department's crane task force. With precision and power, the Vöcklabruck crane's cable winch successfully hauled the truck back onto the road. Witness the impressive return of Collette & Sons ballast wagons and modular axles, laden with truss sections from Allerton Steel. After a meticulous journey from North Yorkshire, 5 ballast trucks rolled into Collette's heavy lift terminal in Gould. These behemoths will now embark on a just-in-time delivery mission to London, showcasing the precision and coordination that defines Collette & Sons. Behold the colossal journey of the giant red Phone Arbogay, masterfully transported by a man tractor. This specialized heavy-duty marvel, designed for the heaviest of loads, boasts a staggering gross vehicle weight of up to 600 tons, 545 tons, and an impressive width of up to 4.5 meters, 14.8 feet. Witness the sheer scale and power of transport engineering at its finest. Collette & Sons, heavy haulage in Halifax transported an air liquide tank down the A34 in Stone, Staffordshire, with expert precision. While Staffordshire police did an excellent job managing the operation, traffic congestion was inevitable, and the vehicles behind had to crawl along at a snail's pace. This video is a masterclass in engineering and logistics. The way Universal Transport coordinates the movement of these massive tanks is like a symphony orchestra, with every instrument playing its part perfectly. The specialized trailers, the meticulously planned routes, the synchronized movements. It's a testament to their expertise and dedication. They're not just moving cargo, they're orchestrating a masterpiece. Whoa, this ain't your average late-night delivery. This is a 334-ton behemoth on the move, traveling from Gelsenkirchen to Minershagen under the cover of darkness. Seifert and Bender are the dynamic duo of heavy hauling, orchestrating this two-night spectacle with precision and finesse. This is what happens when engineering meets pure adrenaline. Watch the thrilling face-off between historic and modern equipment as the K700 tractor goes head-to-head with the Fendt 1050 at the Booster 2024 show. The excitement was palpable, and the whole crowd was on the edge of their seats. Truly impressive. This video captures the exciting journey of a Caterpillar 390F from the Empire Machinery rental lot to its new home on a job site. It's a testament to Barco Trucking's meticulous planning and execution. They're not just moving a machine, they're delivering a promise of productivity and power. that monster of an abnormal load navigating those narrow Welsh lanes. It's like threading a needle with a semi-truck. Allaless haulage is showing off some serious skills here, maneuvering that beast with the precision of a surgeon. They're not just moving cargo, they're defying the laws of physics. Lasso is more than just a transportation company. They're the wind whisperers of the heavy haul industry. They understand the unique challenges of transporting wind turbine components and have the expertise and experience to get the job done right. This video is a testament to their commitment to innovation, safety, and sustainability. They're not just moving cargo, they're shaping the future of renewable energy. Whoa! Witness the incredible sight of a 500,000-pound superload component being expertly maneuvered down Tussing Yard in Columbus, Ohio, on July 14th, 2024. Hats off to Edwards Heavy Haul for their impressive professionalism in handling this massive task. Wow. Watching that Scania 113 navigate the dirty, slippery quarry road was intense. It needed a tractor to get through. The truck's owner clearly takes impeccable care of it. That 113 is pure gold. It must have been heartbreaking to see it struggle. What a stunning machine. God willing, I'll have one like it someday, perfectly equipped to my liking. Witness the majestic scene of ship spotting as 300-meter-long crude oil tankers make their way to Russian ports from the Dardanelles. This critical strait remains a key route for Russian crude oil exports despite Western obstructionism. This ain't your average delivery truck. Hunish is hauling not one, but two massive loads from Serov to Sudomyazhitz. These things are huge, with the larger one clocking in at 96 tons. It's like watching a pair of elephants on wheels. Hunish is showing off their heavy hauling muscle, navigating these behemoths through tight spaces and challenging terrain. This is what happens when engineering meets pure power. Wow, watching a heavy haul truck leave the port of Tucson with a 427,000 lb transformer is a sight to behold. It's like those jokes men make about their wife's vacation suitcase weighing nearly that much. What a colossal load. Wow, witnessing a 30-ton gasoline truck recovery in the Sahara Desert with 3 man-cats is mind-blowing. The Holland Africa Tour's heavy recovery, powered by 900 HP, navigates the Sahara sand with sheer determination. During the Morocco Desert Challenge, the fuel truck, aiming to reach camp, veered off the official track and got stuck. The recovery effort used as much fuel as the truck carried, but man, that cat sound is unmatched. Witness the extraordinary Scania S770 from Lau Kirchhoff, a cement screed floor specialist, captured in action at a construction site in Deventer, the Netherlands. This impressive machine showcases the perfect blend of power and precision in a high-stakes environment. Do you know what country this is in? What is that big thing they are carrying going to be used for? Please comment below. But I'm really worried about this heavy transport. It's very chaotic. Collect Transport showcased their expertise by hauling a 190-ton transformer on a 14-row setup with 3 pusher trucks, bringing the total weight to a staggering 400 tons. Despite wet conditions, narrow gravel roads, rough terrain, and steep slopes, they navigated the challenging route with impressive precision and skill. Whoa, this ain't your average tow truck situation. This is a 740-ton power plant generator being hauled like it's a kid's toy. Kyle Schwert Transport is flexing some serious muscle here. 58 axles working together to conquer that roundabout and creek crossing. This video is a testament to their commitment to safety, innovation, and excellence. They're not just moving cargo, they're setting the bar for the entire industry, no matter the weather. Northwest just completed an epic journey, transporting a 31-pound HP amine contactor tower over 1,040 miles of bridges, underpasses, and scenic Texas roads. This massive project also faced 2 tropical storms and 6 waterway lock systems over 13 days via intercoastal waterways to reach Port Victoria TX. With an overall length of 227.3 feet and a gross weight of 812,000 pounds, this operation was a true test of skill and determination. Stay tuned as the team conquers the final stage of this thrilling journey. This thrilling video showcases the journey of a brand new CAT 657 from the dealership to its job site. This powerful scraper, equipped with a twin-engine system for superior productivity, is built for large-scale earth-moving projects. Inland Heavy Haul's meticulous planning and execution in moving this machine is more than just a delivery. It's a promise of unmatched efficiency and performance. Witness the thrilling launch of Momola Defender by Damen Shipyards, an ultra-tsunami-resistant marvel. The ship launching ceremony was charged with emotions as the 1,000-ton beast, tethered by a steel snake, hit the water. But the drama peaked when the port bow cable stretched to its limit. Dangerously taut, it could have caused serious harm. Did no one anticipate this risk before the grand splashdown? Wow, 30 breathtaking seconds of the 2023 truck race at Convoy in the Park. Witness the BTRC Big Crash. It might just be more thrilling than F1. Wow, watching the ZIL 135LM tackle tractor pulling in Perleberg, Germany 2024 is nothing short of exhilarating. This powerhouse, originally built to navigate any terrain, execute combat missions, and carry tactical missiles up to 70 kilometers with various warheads, shows off its rugged capabilities. Absolutely thrilling. Witness the stunning video by David Kralik, capturing Universal Transport's massive haul of nearly 400-ton tanks through a German city. Universal Transport, a heavyweight in heavy haulage, specializes in moving oversized loads with unparalleled precision. Their vast fleet and expertise ensure safe, efficient, and reliable transport, making them the go-to partner for complex projects worldwide. That's one massive Komatsu mining dump truck. This ain't your average pickup truck hauling a lawnmower. Centurion Transport is flexing some serious muscle here with their Kenworth T909, navigating this behemoth through tight spaces and busy highways. This thing is a beast, ready to chew up and spit out dirt on the job site. The snow-covered, slippery ground presents a real challenge for drivers. Dang, that demethanizer is a beast. 186 feet long and weighing 270 tons? That's like hauling a small cruise ship down the highway. This is a 653-mile journey through the rugged Rocky Mountains, hauling a 1.2 million pound load through steep grades and harsh winter conditions. And check out that convoy. 4 trucks, each with 600 horsepower, working together to conquer that 7% grade. Northwest Logistics Heavy Haul is the real deal, proving that they can handle even the most challenging oversized loads. Wow, witnessing the Scania 112 Tattoo tackle the Camino Pinar de los Rios in Calamuchita, Cordoba is awe-inspiring. For those who doubt its prowess, try handling 45 tons on those rugged roads. Hats off to Daniel and his expert driving. This beast showcases the brilliance of its Soviet-era designers and engineers. Pure respect. 28 extinguished a semi-fire in Lake Township, Ohio, showcasing the most efficient and effective firefighting seen this year. Kudos to the agency for their swift deployment and fantastic resource management. No injuries and everything is under control. Bring it on. Safety is paramount when you're dealing with loads this massive. Mammoet takes it seriously, with meticulous planning, state-of-the-art equipment, and a team of highly trained professionals. Mammoth's played a crucial role in upgrading the Chesterfield substation, ensuring a reliable power supply for the community. They're not just transporting cargo, they're delivering a brighter future. Wow, the K700 is the most brilliant tractor ever. As a kid, I watched it roar through the fields of the GDR, its turbo whistling and exhaust smoking. Who knew Johnny could sync it so perfectly? One hand on the wheel, the other on his cell phone, and he nailed it. Oh my God, witness the heart-pounding moment in Marias de Almeida as logging trucks loaded with wood burst into flames due to careless fire prevention. Thankfully, no one was injured, but the danger was all too real. The nail-biting moment when an overloaded Oshkosh log truck fails to climb a steep mountain. The logs were too heavy on the trailer, leaving the truck without enough traction. The driver lacked the speed needed for the ascent, and most critically, the weight was poorly distributed. The logs needed to be front-loaded to give the truck the grip it needed. In thousands of hill climbs, the trick is simple. Weight up front, speed, and engaging all lockers for a straight ascent. Witnessing the steam locomotive haul at the Great Dorset Steam Fair was an awe-inspiring blend of nostalgia and raw power, capturing the magic of a bygone era with breathtaking precision and timeless charm.